Hello students, now let us see another inequality. Property number 3. Property number 3 is mod x is less than a. What is the meaning? When mod x is less than a, this is equal to formula is x is in between of a and minus a. This is the formula. So if you have mod x is less than or equal to a, this is implies we can add as x is between of a and minus a. So mod x less than a. Same as it is previously I said, this one whenever you said as mod x is less than a, according to the rule, what I said, this x can be positive. If x is positive, okay. Or this x can be negative. That's why you get here like this. So this will be x less than a, or if I multiply with this inequality, x is, if I multiply with negative number minus 1, if I multiply with minus 1, this will become plus x and this less than will become greater than. Whenever you multiply with the negative number or divide with the negative number, inequality changes. So this less than sign is becomes greater than and plus a becomes minus a. The meaning of this is less than a greater than a is nothing but x is in between of a and minus a. So this is greater than minus a, more than minus a and less than a. So we can indicate this one in simple way that x is in between of a and minus a. Okay. So this is the property when you have less than or equal to a, mod of x is less than or equal to a, we can write as x is in between of a and minus a, including a and minus a. So let us solve some questions on based on this. Mod of 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 1. Suppose you have like this. So what we write according to this rule, what we can write as 2x minus 5 will be in between of 1 and minus 1. We can write simply this way. So this one is in middle and this 1 and minus 1 side this side that side. Now I have to make the x as a subject. Solve meaning is what is the meaning of solve? You have to find the value of x and y. X, you have to find the value of x. So to get this x minus 5 is extra here. So to remove this minus 5 we add plus 5 on both sides. Add here plus 5. So if I add here minus 1 plus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 5 plus 5 less than or equal to 1 plus 5. So what I get here, this is greater than, okay, this is greater than of that and this is less than, okay. So this one cancel, what I get here, 5 minus 1 is 4, okay, and 2x less than or equal to symbol and this is 6. So I do have 2 again here, I have to get the x value. 2 is divide by 2 here, divide by 2, what I get here, that is I can write 4 by 2 and 2x by 2 and 6 by 2. So finally 2 to 1 cancel, 2 2s are cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are gets cancelled. So the value of x is lying between, this is 3 and this is 2. So the answer of this inequality, this modulus inequality is x is in between of 3 and 2. We are solving modulus functions and we are using inequalities. So this is modulus inequality, this is the basic of the modulus inequality. Now we are going to enter what is the reality of the JEE Mains level questions. How JEE Mains will ask, means previously they asked a few questions on this modulus function. So that type of problems we'll do. We make from the basic to the high level of this content. So this is the basic level of the content and slowly we move into high level. Okay, let us see next question. I will give one more question to make you understand. Suppose you have like this, mod of x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5. Very simple this is. What we can write the solution is x minus 3 is in between of 5 and minus 5. Okay, this I can write and minus 3 same this side also, this side also. See here, I spoke actually there is no terminology to say that transfer that side this side. Actually we do like this. Adding subtraction this way. So okay, I am using the terminology this minus 3 is transfer this side and this side. So what I get here, if I am transferring this one 5 plus 3 and if I transfer this side 5 minus 5 plus 3. So what I get here, x is in between. We read as this is x is in between 5 minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So the solution of this modulus inequality is this one. I hope you understand. Suppose you have somebody ask you mod of 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to minus 4. What is the value of x? If somebody asks you like this, then this is no solution. We can say empty set. We can say no solution because the modulus answer cannot be in negative. That keep in the mind whenever somebody asks you that. So there is a no solution. Now this is the basic of the modulus. What you have learned, three properties you have learned, three properties. The first properties is mod x is equal to a, then x is equal to a or x is equal to minus a. Mod x is greater than a, this implies x greater than a or x less than minus a. And mod x is less than a, this is you learn, x is in between of a and minus a. Mod x is equal to 0, this is implies x is equal to 0. This is what you have learned till now. If you have equal to symbol, you will get here equal to, here equal to. If you have here equal to symbol, then you will get here equal to, here equal to. So that what we have learned in today's lecture. Based on this, I will send you worksheet to the WhatsApp group. So we will solve the problems on based on this topic. Tomorrow we are going to enter in IIT JEE level questions. How type of questions they ask, how to solve them, and double modulus, triple modulus problems, how to solve, and modulus plus modulus plus modulus, modulus minus another modulus is equal to some constant. What are the answers? These type of questions we are going to learn tomorrow.